Hello, all friends. Happy Monday. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, powerful, relaxed, expert, powerful trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Hello. Good morning. It's good to see you, Terry. Good morning, everybody. Hello, chat. Good morning to Abhishek and Trevor and Nate and Aaron and Magnus and everybody. You guys, it's so good to be back on a Monday. And special hello to you, Terry. How was the weekend? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fantastic. I'm so excited for our roundtable today. We have Pine and Husk, and I also see that you're streaming from the beach.
Yeah. I set up so everything has been set up, the streaming rig right here at the beach. So I'm ready to go. I'm camping here since days now. Trust me, it's gonna be fun. Yeah.
Tom is really at the beach, though. You are.
I am really. I was, guys. I started to do some. I was testing the signal here and there. I might gonna try to do one stream right next to the sea next time. Who knows? But for now, it's safer here next to my trading rig. It's much better.
It's a fantastic rig. Let's welcome Pine Tree Trader and Husk.
Let's go. Hey.
Yo. Hey. Thanks for the nice introduction, Terry.
How are you guys doing?
We're doing great. We're just ready for the week. Ready for the news this morning also.
Yes, Monday is so great. I feel like it's the only job as for us traders on Mondays. Everyone looks forward to it. It's like, happy Monday, we're back.
Monday is fun day, everybody. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. How are you, Pine?
I'm doing great. Yeah, this is awesome. I love doing this roundtable. I love talking to you other traders, so I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, we're doing really good. Got a nice little start to the account, so we're ready to go.
All right, let's go. The schedule today, you are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Husk. At 10:30, you will have Forex Ike and Corey, and that's the schedule for today.
Thank you, Terry. Well, we have so much to talk today. So should I just jump into the chart? I'm not sure if the chart's actually, yeah, it's ready. All right, here we go. So just a quick look back. And I'm really going to be quick on this one. London session, the only thing I took, and I was trading and I was streaming because it was super exciting. A beautiful short back down into the new week opening gap, because as we all know, there was quite a huge gap here. Anyway, what was the distance? The distance was actually, let me see it. It was like almost 300 points, guys. So it was amazing to see the market kind of going lower. There was some order blocks in the London session on the 5-minute time frame. So this is the 5-minute right now that I'm checking. And I took a beautiful short. I targeted the Asia low down to 536, and then the market kept dropping lower. Still not being completely repriced at this point. I'm not saying that it will finish the job today. We've seen this happen multiple times. So I'm not saying that we're definitely going to reprice it. We do have a supply zone. Actually, I forgot to put this on the chart, but we do have a supply zone a little bit higher here. And the level is not exactly, but somewhere around 520. So I can imagine the market pushing a little bit higher than the 500s, and then maybe, getting some traction, some orders, we can see a possible drop from there. But that's it on NQ. Not really looking for a bullish momentum, but who knows? We have a lot of trend line liquidity along the way. So yeah, we'll be reactive on that. A quick look on gold, by the way, because yeah, gold was almost like having the same type of new week opening gap here. Lots of overlapping candles on the 5-minute. We had the same situation last week. We have overlapping candles everywhere. No fair value gaps left open. Actually, we have just one a little bit after 8 a.m. But otherwise, throughout the day, gold actually closed down every possibility. But no real trendy or directional move. So I don't think again, that this is going to be somewhat my favorite today to go in, but yeah, we'll see. There are some swing lows down there, maybe. Yeah, but actually we took that out. And there's another one at 4,093. Not really hoping for a huge drop here. It's kind of rangy to me. And I forgot to update the chart. So let me just remove the drawing. So I can imagine gold pushing back up to that, the only fair value gap that has been left untagged at 41.12. So otherwise, that is it. And just a really quick look on ES. ES looks bullish to me on the 5-minute. I know we swept a high here, and we might say that there could be a divergence, but I just feel like that ES is ready to go higher. The funny thing, though, is that throughout the day, and it's just kind of strange because I checked it earlier, it was kind of decoupled from NQ a little bit there. It didn't really go down into that new week opening gap throughout the day. So NQ was pushing down, ES was holding it. Kind of gives me the feeling that we might be having some more bullish momentum there. But as always, we're going to be reactive. We're going to be doing some pew-pew trades as usual. And hopefully we can make some extra profits. But that's all I have. Thank you.
That sounds great. I like the plan, Tom.
Well, there's always a plan.
Yes.
Not full porting, not full porting.
No. Pine, what are your thoughts?
Well, yeah, Tom summed it up pretty well. I kind of like his analysis there on NQ, but I will talk a little bit. I talk a little bit about YM. YM is absolutely parabolic right now, up 677 points. No gap fill. So no gap fill. We had an open gap from last night. Actually, sorry. No, we did have gap fill, but we left this gap from the other day too. So YM has been very, very strong. Just very, very bullish. So what I'd like to see is a little bit of a reversal and then maybe take this bad boy down. That's kind of what I'd like to see. And so I might look for that during the open to see if I can take it down. But for now, I mean, it's just stair stepping, grinding higher, and that's what I see on YM. So
that's a surprise. I wasn't expecting that. Thank you for showing that.
Yeah.
Husk, what do you think?
To me, I'm kind of with Tom. I'm kind of leaning to the bullish side, and I only say that is because we just ran a 4-hour low. We just ran basically 2 4-hour candles without any kind of reversal. And if you like to follow trend lines, we got a massive 5-minute trend line that's 200 something points. The top of that trend line starts up there at 87,700. So hopefully this will give us a nice reversal this morning to the top side. As soon as you get up there around like the 660s, I would definitely probably start considering maybe scaling back. The only reason why I say that, maybe I don't know how everybody feels, is I'm not a big fan is the closer we get to the previous day high, which is at 725. And for some reason, I don't have my 15. Oh, there it is. If anything, on the pullback, I would look for this morning before we move higher, kind of like what Pon says, get a little bit of pullback into the lower 400s to kind of pull back into that first 8 o'clock 15-minute candle, then accelerate to the upside.
All right, so sounds good.
I'm kind of leaning bullish myself, unless we get back under 400.
All right, leaning bullish unless we get under 400.
Correct.
I have. Oh, go ahead, Pine.
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to correct myself. That is the Sunday night open gap on YM, so it's still wide open. It's about 200 points. So I was looking for some reason. I was looking at the dates, and it's Monday. I'm ready. I'm fired up. Not awake yet, but I'm ready.
Be careful, because there's news into our opening. Maybe Terry will have to bring up the time of the news, but I feel like there's news this morning. I'm just not sure the correct time. Okay.
Yes.
You just want to make sure you're not taking trades during those times. Or be careful if you are taking trades.
So what's the news today? Because there were so many things I was reading. I mean, some stuff, but what's happening?
Yeah, so over the weekend, Trump did make comments that were very bullish for the market regarding the war with Iran, saying that they're going to pause, continue with the pause with Iran, with bombing Iran. So that was very bullish. I do believe that was part of the reason why at Globex Open, we did just pump very quickly at the open. As far as scheduled news at 9:45 Eastern Standard Time, we do have final manufacturing PMI. And then at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have ISM manufacturing PMI and then ISM manufacturing prices, and also construction spending month over month. Let's see, Canada has a bank holiday today, and that is all that I'm seeing for scheduled news. Yes, that is currently the scheduled news.
All right.
Yeah,
well,
I do see that. Yeah, I think so. I do see that the White House senior advisor was speaking this morning. That also moved the market, making bullish statements, I believe on CNBC this morning. The funny thing is I was watching it, listening to it, and then I also had my news feed up, and he actually said very bullish things on the show. And then the market started to react, and then the headlines came out like maybe 30 seconds to a minute later. So I thought that was very interesting. I was able to catch along based on that bullish news. So if you trade the news, it does help to have a news feed, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
But if you don't, we're here. So join us every day. I have important news to share.
All right.
Yeah. Did you guys see this? Did you see this?
Let's go.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Huss, did you see this news?
Yeah, I reposted it.
Tom, you saw it too?
I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is huge, guys. This is really huge. Yeah.
Huge. So Matt Leach, our CEO, posted on his account, rapid end of day. It's like a little tease. What do you guys think about this? End of day rapid accounts?
I honestly, I know you guys I love the Pro too, obviously, but there's nothing better if MyFundedFutures does this with the rapid, the end of day trailing on the funded stage as well. Guys, this account would be unbeatable in the whole prop firm space. What else do you really want? And of course, I'm a little bit biased with the daily payout here because I'm working again on it, by the way, but I just love it, guys. I totally hooked onto it. I'm addicted to the daily payout. So the thing is, it just doesn't get any better with the end of day trading, guys. It's amazing.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
If we start this, yeah.
Yes. What do you think, Pine? I know you also love the daily payout accounts, the rapid accounts.
I think this is great. For everyone that's like, intraday trailing drawdown. Well, we got end of day coming, so MyFundedFutures does it right. They listen to you guys. So W's in the chat for that. We got those. I love to see just how the rules are gonna work, like what the payouts are gonna be. I can't wait. I can almost guarantee I'm gonna pick up some of those accounts. Take my money. Just take my money. It's already locked.
Let's go. Miso Trade says, when end of day, you're planning on getting 5. Yes, let's go. So as far as the current promos, we do have 20% off the rapids. So sorry if you were not able to get that promo from last week. That was 50% off. It did end on Friday. I did snatch them up. I think a bunch of you guys also snatched them up. So now we are still on sale, but not as great of sale, but it's still a good, I know, this is reason why you have to snatch up the sales.
Don't worry, guys.
Yeah. This is still a great sale. Yeah, so 20% off the rapid plan. We have 30% off of the pros. The builder plan, we do have 40% off the 25K plan and then 30% off of the 50K plan. And then off of the flex plan, it is 10% off. And those are the current promos. Using, of course, the best code YouTube. Every time you use code YouTube, it helps to support the channel. So thank you so much, you guys. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for supporting. And let me just check the likes here because I hope we're doing good. Let me just update My end here. Oh yeah, I'm seeing 125 likes. Let's go. I like that. 125. Amazing job. All right. We're closing on 500 viewers. Thank you so much for watching the stream, everybody. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, by the way, we are super proud of everybody watching us on X and TikTok, especially X. We're seeing really good numbers, more and more viewers there. But please, it's super easy. Just come over to YouTube, feel the algorithm and feed the algorithm just by smashing the like. Feel it, guys. You gotta feel it. Just smash the like and let's get to that 70K subs. I know we're gonna get there real soon. Thank you so much for supporting us. And guys, this is the daily routine now. This is what we do. And by the way, by the end of the roundtable, we want to see 350 likes at least. So go for it, everybody. That's the job. Share it with everybody. Send it to everywhere. Send the stream link. That's the job, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tom.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So we have about 13 minutes until the market is going to open. Any pre-market trades?
I am so tempted to just to put on like a maybe just a buy stop trade, maybe up to 493. So actually I'm thinking about that. Now this time I am going to trade through TradingView on one of my rapid accounts here. So I'm just going to put on a buy stop right there to 495.50. And actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go a little bit crazy with 2 micros there. So how about that? 2 micro buy stop at 495, because I believe that we should be kicking that supply zone up at 519. So I think my TP, you know what? I'm going to go even crazier. I'm going to go with, should I go with 3 micros? Let's go with 3 micros. All right.
Let's go. So, it's Monday.
Yeah, it's Monday. We have time to correct all these errors, right? So anyway,
It's a probe trade. It's
the daily probe trade. So let's
go
with
that. Question out to Tom real quick. How did you get comfortable trading pre-market? Because I do not have the courage to trade pre-market because I have no idea what's going to happen. Like I just feel like that just takes like the most courage. Like, I'm gonna slap a trade on here like 5 minutes before we open.
I don't tell this to anyone, Husk, but I'm never comfortable trading these trades. Never.
Okay.
I'm always a little bit like scared here, and to be honest, I am a little bit scared on this trade. Although this is an evaluation account before everybody goes nuts like, oh, what are you doing? And I'm already down $95. Usually on my evals, I like to go with like $300, even $400 of risk per trade. So I'm okay with that. I kind of like to go more aggressive on it. But the thing is, so the thing about pre-market trading, I mean, opening on a trade before the market open, like I know it's risky, right? I know it. But we always talk about it's all about risk. It's all about risk. It's all about risk management. It's all about how much you can afford to lose or to give to the market. And yeah, although I'm trading a little bit more aggressively on these evals, it kind of works the other way as well. If I lose $300 or $400, I can just as well easily get back that $300 or $400 or $500 or even more. But you know what? I mean, I never really got used to it, to be honest. It takes time. It will. Yeah. You guys never put on any trade. I know Terry. No. Terry is also.
Oh, all the time. All the time.
All the time. Yeah.
All the time. It's almost 100% guarantee I will have at least put on one pre-market trade. For me, I think trading is usually just uncomfortable anyways. Like it's just
right.
Right? Like I feel like every trade it is a scale because sometimes I get into a trade and it just feels awful, especially if I'm trying to really get like a really great price and sell the high for a cheap price. You're hoping it's a cheap short, and you're hoping it's a cheap long, because we never know when we get in the trade. We have an idea, we have a bias, but we never truly know. Husk, I have noticed that sometimes, depending on how I feel, like, did I sleep well? Are there other things going on in my life, or even my own budget, right? Like how much have I spent this month on everything? everything. That can affect the way I feel too. Yeah, just feelings in general with trading. What about you, Pine? Are your feelings kind of up and down with putting on trades?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I blow a lot of accounts before the market opens. I don't know what it is. I get caught in those slow grinds or death crawls. I mean, I just tried to short on YM and got beat up. And I'm like, ugh. Yeah, I mean, I think, but although I do have a thing where I feel that when you're in a trade and when you're trading, you should feel a little uncomfortable to make money. That's kind of the sweet spot in my opinion, which is weird to say, but like if I'm throwing on like one micro or something on a funded account and then I'm just like da da da, like I don't really feel anything from that usually. So I like to feel a little uncomfortable by putting on a little more size, and that way I'm really focused on the charts. So it's one of those can be a double-edged sword, but it's tough to find that sweet spot where you just like, well, like during the New York Open, if I'm in like say 4 micros, that's usually enough volatility where I'm like, oh, okay, this is really moving. I can make or lose a lot of money just with a few micros. And then if the market slows down, say later in Asia or something like that, then I can get away with trading a mini. And then, so.
Pine doesn't like trading the micros.
No,
Don't like it.
I don't really like trading micros so much. It's just because what happens is like if I catch, because I like to trade on momentum. So if I catch a nice momentum trade, and then let's just say I make like 50 points or 80 points or something like that on that one trade. If I'm in one micro, then I'm just like, oh, I didn't make no money. In my head.
Yeah.
Unless I'm copy trading a bunch of accounts. If I'm copy trading a bunch of accounts, then that's a different ball game. But because then I kind of add it up all into one. But I like to trade, like I said, 3-4 micros usually during New York Open. You can get away with some. You can get some nice wins. You can make $300, $400, $500, $600 pretty quickly, or lose it. But yeah, I'm not huge into micros, and sometimes I wish I was, especially if you're scaling in. So if you're scaling into trades, things like that, micros are awesome.
Yeah.
So, for a second, I have that battle what Pine is talking about, where he's basically feeling like he's having those missed opportunities if he caught that 50-point trade with one micro, where he's like, man, if I had a mini, that's $1,000, man. But usually what I tell myself whenever I'm like, man, that is such a huge trick. I'll be hitting like the 50 to 100 point trades all the time. It's like, what if I didn't hit that though and it went against me? Because then I lose my account. So that's what I tell myself to deal with that disappointment of that one micro trade usually.
And Husk, you like to scale in. So that's part of the reason why you use micros too?
No, I actually, I mentioned that earlier. I struggle with adding 2 winners. Like that is something that I've been trying to work on. I'm horrible about adding to losers for some reason. So I still have that battle like most of us do. I try to hit my profit real quick and just leave the one runner and then look for a target.
Yes.
But that is definitely something that I want to get better at, is adding to winners. I just haven't really got there yet.
Sorry, I'm on a short YM again. I just stops at the high. I just think we take back some of that grind up, that pre-market grind up. It just seems so technical, like a zombie grind to the upside, where it's stair-stepped and there wasn't really any news. So I'm gonna short YM. Stops at the high, take profit right around 53, 225. My entry's at 285. So
let's go. And by the way, Pine, about the minis, are you comfortable with the minis? Like, do you ever feel like, obviously it's always more stressful. I feel like it's always more stressful with the minis, but by the way, I got taken out from this long trade, no problem. But so do you feel like you're absolutely comfortable jumping in with the mini or 2 minis even? Like, is that kind of stressing you out at all, or you're just saying, oh, 1 mini is like nothing, it's completely fine?
Yeah, I mean, I get used to it, I guess. It's just something I get used to, just trading minis. I'm getting better at it. It's just reps, you know, just reps over time. Seeing those bigger P&Ls. It's a place that I want to be at. I want to be. I know people troll me on this, but like more of a high stakes type trader where I'm, you know, taking 100 point $100 a point trades on NQ, you know, like for 5 minis or plus, or with YM to be able to hop in with 5 minis on YM and just be able to trade like that. Start having the 5-figure days or more on a regular basis. Like that's kind of where I want to be. So, you know, and by trading this pro account, like I got this pro account right now, it's up pretty well. And the goal is to really get a payout on it, of course. But to me, this is like the best account that I can practice and trade a little bit larger size where it's, you know, I'm not going to get penalized with any consistency rule or anything like that. So the MyFundedFutures Pro account, I think, is the best account for that. And that's why we've been slinging these contracts. I mean, currently up 3,000 today.
Wow.
I'm not like,
What?
yeah, I'm just not like, you know, I'm risking 300 on this trade, but just as I get a good start on the accounts, it's nice to build upon it throughout the day. And then not look at the overall P&L, but look at the daily P&L where I'm like, well, I have end of day drawdown and so on.
Yeah.
So I get to kind of build upon that and utilize that. Although, you know, it's like if I start hopping in, the problem is if I start getting frustrated and then I start hopping in 5 minis, then that could be the issue if I'm trying to revenge. But if I'm in a winning trade and it's like really going in my favor, then I can go, okay, well, I can just add into this, and then watch the P&L go up. So, yeah. But anyways, it's just about reps. It's just,
Yeah.
I kind of get numb to it after a while. And
yeah. Pine, can I share an observation that I've made about when you're in a big trade?
yeah.
I'm super curious. I'm all ears, by the way. So, yeah.
I can always tell when Pine is in a big size trade because I'll look over and he's literally like, he has his hand on his mouse and he's like locked in on the screen, locked in, like ready to pull the trigger at any time. And and then I feel like when you're in a lighter trade, like not too big of size, I look over and you're just like, yeah, just all relaxed. Oh, by the way, look at this 5-minute candle, you guys, on NQ.
Yeah, I'm about ready to hit
just
TP
sinking.
on this trade, about 300
Let's
bucks.
go.
Awesome.
Yeah, just smack TP. The timing didn't get any better because the market's about ready to open. So we just smacked TP for another 300. Currently up 3,200 on this account today.
All right.
W's.
We love it. Here we go. Good luck.
All right, good luck. Yeah, YM's just eating back at that zombie crawl.
Yeah, I was
now.
I was hoping here on a sweep on NQ as well, but we didn't go for 382 down there. Well, let's just wait. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm still a little bit more bullish. I'm still a little bit more bullish though on NQ. Would be great to see a push higher. But I don't see anything yet.
I wouldn't be interested in highs unless we're back above 480s after that 15 minutes. Remember, I always trade the bottom of 15 minutes. I do like the pullback, just the fact that there's no wick on the top of that 5-minute candle. So.
There's a 1-minute fair value gap, by the way, on the 925 candle. If we would trade back above that, that would be a sign for me to jump into a long again. But it seems like we're dropping way, way lower. Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
We're going to wait. Okay.
YM pushing up higher, looking like it might try to take out the highs. It had a nice little pullback down into 53,124, and then now it's looking like it's it's still strong right now at the open. It's just pushing. So very interesting where YM and NQ are doing the opposite. NQ pushing down, YM pushing up. We do have the earnings too. We have some earnings this week. I think we have Palantir's aftermarket close today, and then tomorrow AMD, which will be probably pretty big for just because it's a chip maker.
That would be
aftermarket.
Oh yeah,
close,
that'll be big.
That would be big, yeah.
So this range is.
We also have PMI manufacturing news here in about 10 minutes. So just be aware of that if you're in trades.
Yeah, true.
Wow. We're still pushing lower. NQ is down by about 80-ish points. What a strong push down.
Oh, yeah, it is. And the new week opening gap low at 284. It seems like we're heading all the way down there, maybe to reprice the whole gap. I'm not sure, but it looks interesting.
I'm hoping for one of Terry's 5-minute setups where we have the big red candle down and we blast out the opposite side here.
Ooh, I like that. Yeah, especially on the long side, to maybe go back towards VWAP. That could be really good. So London took out the Asia low. New York took out London's low. It's very bearish so far, but the market loves to retrace, right?
Yeah.
I do see that we're trading right around Friday's closing price. So Friday closed at 372. Interesting. This is a 30-minute chart I have up, and this is Friday's first 30 minutes during New York. Very interesting. Okay. This might be tricky today.
It might be a tricky one.
I'm curious like what the chat does. A lot of people wait, say 30 minutes or more after the market opens, or some people just hop right in during the New York Open. You guys in the chat, like, put a 1 in the chat if you trade the New York Open, or put a 2 if you wait, say 30 minutes or so before the market, wait for the market to set up. I'm just curious.
I hopped into a cheap short, you guys. I mean, cheap, we shall see. Which is 1 micro.
That's good. That's all right. That's perfect.
Yeah. It might.
We have a lot of twos.
It might cut me.
A lot of people wait. It's not a bad idea to kind of wait for the market to set up for sure. There's still a lot of ones though. Very mixed.
I'm a 5 to 15 minute person. I either wait for the first 5-minute candle or I wait for the 15 minutes because I'm one of those people. If you go back and look at previous openings, usually if your first 15-minute candle was red, usually that's the manipulation candle for us to move back up the rest of the day.
Yeah.
That's how Terry's trade on the 5-minute usually sets up for her. If you ever follow that 5-minute little setup that she's doing.
Hey, it's working.
It's working.
So far, the cheap trade is working, but you know, it can change anytime at the open. We have seen so many opens where it might go in your direction and then it just instantly reverses. Exactly. Which is really tricky, I feel like, with trading micros at the open, because what Pine was saying, like, you might be up, let's say 30 points, and it just doesn't feel like a lot of money because it's 1 micro. That's what, $60. Versus if you're in a mini, 30 points, that's $600. But the opposite is also true. Like, the losses, we have to think about the losses too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go, you guys. The 5-minute orb. Oh, go ahead.
I took a long position, by the way, from 397, just saying 2 micros only, not a big deal. I'm kind of hoping that we will break higher. I take off 1 micro just here. So I took off 1 micro, and another micro is going to be at 516.50. So I'm just kind of hoping that we will go for that supply zone that I was mentioning earlier. Now, you guys don't know it, but I swear on my soul that I had the short trade as well just earlier. You guys didn't see it, but I partially scalped back the loss that I had earlier. But anyway, the thing right now, I'm a little bit addicted to that 516 level right now. So who knows? Yeah.
Oh,
let's make some
what a
profits.
beautiful reversal on that 5 minute candle for a 5 minute
Nice.
orb trade. Yeah, it just
Yeah, nice
squeezed
trade.
all the people who went short.
I need
Little
to.
gotcha. It's a,
Gotcha.
Yeah.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
gotcha.
The
Especially if you're
gotcha feels,
chasing candles. If you're chasing
yeah.
candles, it gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It feels great when you're on the right side. It's like, haha, I gotcha. But and then when
Oh,
it's you, it's like,
that feeling is just exactly. The feeling is just amazing when you're on the right side, by the way.
yeah.
And yeah, so I'm holding this trade up until that supply zone. If I can make this one, oh my gosh, let's go. Come on, NQ. Come on.
Wow. We're going
Let's
close to VWAP.
go!
Nice.
All right.
Love you.
Supply zone, baby. Oh, sorry. Let's go. I'm in holiday mode. So
Oh my
Wow, look at
goodness.
that rip.
vacation mode.
It-
Okay. Yeah, go on.
Vacation.
This candle is very green. NQ is now green by about 120-ish points.
Nice.
We are testing VWAP right about here, and we're within the middle of the range, the entire range so far.
Hmm.
Tricky. Yeah, it's tricky so far. A little tricky.
It is tricky.
What do you see anything, Husk?
I'm waiting for next candle, so I'm a pretty much an anti. I don't chase. If the 5 minute candle is over 3 minutes into 3 minutes, I will just sit here and watch it because I know with the 5 minutes, it can look like it's going and going, and all of a sudden you got a 60-point wick like we have now.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
is why I don't chase 5 minutes. I just try to tell myself if I miss it, I miss it. I'll just have to wait. So I'll just sit on my hands and wait for this next 5 minute candle. If it offers something that I like off some type of support, we'll jump in. But if not, we'll just wait. It's still very
Yep.
early. No reason to get in a big
Yes.
hurry.
Yeah.
The trades that are happening
Exactly.
now are breakout trades. Breakouts, take your quick money and dip. Don't
Yeah.
forward, just dip.
Exactly. So many times when I didn't dip, the market
Yeah.
will turn
Yep.
around and then you end up with a loss. It's like, what?
This is almost a 100-point wick. Like this thing's all
Yeah.
the way up at the VWAP at 40,
Yeah.
and we're back 80 points. Yeah.
Yeah, no, to
Yeah.
say you caught 100 points now in this market, you're just it feels like baby gains. I mean, it's just the crazy, the volatility, 100 points is the new 10.
Mm.
Just like
See, yeah.
just like 40 is the new 20, right?
Yeah.
Ayo.
100%.
I hate when I
Ayo.
have like a 20, 30-point stop. And when you look at it, it's like that big. It's like, man, that doesn't look like much of a stop at all.
Well, the question is what's going to happen now? Because from my perspective, we hit a 5 minute supply zone. The VWAP was right there. So we had a nice rejection. We still have some fair value gaps on the lower time frame, like on the 1 minute. Actually, I'm going to jump down to the 1 minute here. So what's it going to be? Are we moving higher? We have some order blocks up at 622. I don't know. Do you guys have any plan or just wait?
I'm waiting 10 more seconds to see what this 5 minute candle does. I'd like to see it retest this previous 15-minute candle down to 80 if we can.
Okay, Husk, what's going to
Yeah.
happen after 10 seconds? We need a signal there.
Well, that's the brand new 5 minute candle. So this is the
Ah.
5 minute candle. You kind of want to see some wicks or either that or it needs to hold the 500.
Wow. You guys, crude oil is down by over 7%.
What
Wow.
is going on?
That's huge. That's amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
Very bullish for indexes.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
bullish. Because I was just thinking like YM. I feel like YM's just hanging on by a thread before it just falls, but that is pretty bullish with the oil.
I think, okay, I just missed a scalp opportunity. So for smart money traders, we just tagged the first presentation gap. The first presentation gap appeared on the 935 candle, just saying. So we tagged into it. There could be a situation like we were picking up some orders here and now we're going to shoot higher immediately. Or if we trade through it with some down close candles below 403, we might going to see the market close down the gap down to 284 or something like that. But so far it bounced off, but let's see. Let's wait.
Okay, we do have news in about 4 minutes. Heads up.
Oh yeah, news, everybody. Gotta be careful with the news.
Oh, okay.
I forgot. Is this red folder news? I totally forgot what news we have.
No, it's
No.
let's see, final manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing PMI. Although it's red folder news on here, you know, with the news thing, but yeah, it's not a news event that we need to be flat on in our funded pros and rapid accounts. And then we have ISM manufacturing prices and construction spending. All of it. Oh, sorry. The first one is just the final manufacturing PMI. And then we have more in 15 more minutes after that. Do you guys ever trade the news, or are you guys just like, just get flat?
I don't know.
I don't usually trade it.
Yeah, I pretty much get
No.
flat. Yeah, it's just, it makes me too nervous.
Right?
Did you hear?
Try a short
I
on NQ.
Let's go. I'm
Let's
liking the
go.
short as well.
Everyone, a form is dropped in chat. Make sure you get your name on that. That is how you will enter the duck race. The top 10 people will win a free account from MyFundedFutures. Good luck. You do have to be present in order to win. If your name is announced after you win the duck race, then you just have to make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm in order to claim your prize.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Right.
No, short. I got
Woo,
a little
nice
bit
short.
late. A little bit late though, about 10 points late. I wasn't quite paying attention, but keep a stop at 524. Maybe trail it down if we start to get a move. But just a little scalp here, maybe. Just a few micros, just building upon this account here. Still up over 3 grand. So, but nice little combo trade setup. So you have the inside, outside on a 2-minute, and maybe we just come back and fill some of this gap on this 2-minute candle. I don't know. We'll see.
Very nice.
It looks good.
Yeah, it does. I think I will put a sell stop below the 5-minute orb on the reversal. So taking the 5-minute reversal orb trade, the back it up Terry trade.
It's a back it up Terry.
I like that.
Nice.
313.50 on the full size candle.
I'm gonna take a short on NQ as well.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, 1 micro only, but I feel like it should drop. Actually, I might even going to add 1 more micro if it goes a little bit higher. Depends on the reaction. I don't know. Let's wait a little bit here. Let's wait. Yeah, 1 micro is manageable. I need to put a stop somewhere. I need to get used to trading view here. But I forgot to install the Ninja Trader here on my laptop. Let's see. Buy stop here. All right. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
What is going on
Yeah, I'm
here?
waiting for the new 5-minute candle in about 30 seconds.
You see?
I was long biased a while ago, but I got stopped out because of how big the pullback is. So I don't usually try not to hold pullbacks.
Just re-enter, right?
Yeah, just re-enter.
Yeah. That takes a lot of discipline, I think, to just like cut the trade and then say, okay, I'm going to re-enter in the future at a different price.
That's also difficult, by the way. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm cutting the trade. Yeah, I cut the trade too. Yeah.
So
It
basically
happens,
lost
guys.
what I made on that YM trade, so gave that back. Damn NQ. Gotta go back to YM.
Yeah, I'm trying to look for some other targets up there. There's not much, unfortunately.
YM really couldn't make a new high, which was interesting.
Really? Oh, wow. YM is still up 1%. It's still up 1%. Yeah, that's super bullish. Gold is kind of flat. I think for crude to be down 7%, that's huge. It must partly be related to some type of oil supply, war-related headline.
Yeah, it could be. It could be. I'm thinking if this one wants to go a little bit higher. I jumped into, I know it sounds a little bit crazy. I get it. I jumped into a small long position, but yeah, I
My
know
runner
too,
got
Mike.
stumped out.
Yeah, I'm feeling the longs, Tom. Yeah, I can see that.
It would be great if the market could go way, way higher up to, like, for example, 660s and more. But yeah, I don't really want to. So with the previous loss, I got back to break even on this current session on this account, but I don't know if I want to go down to a huge drawdown here. So I need to decide where do I want to put my stop loss here, because I'm okay with a bit of a drawdown, but this is, again, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. You gotta try.
Yeah, it took my stop and comes right back down. But we'll see.
That's
It's
typical.
going sideways at the moment. Kind of putting in
Yeah.
the, maybe it's just waiting for that news to come out at top of the hour. We'll see.
Could be.
We did have an inside bar, not this 5-minute candle, but the one before, and it did break out above it just by like a point or two, and then it came down. So that, are you thinking, Pine, that could be a nice reversal setup for a short?
Yeah, I am. I'm thinking like, yeah, taking another short, but I don't know.
So how consistent is that when it does the fake out to the upside but come out the back? Does it seem like it's a higher win rate when it does that?
I don't know.
I those a lot. I was just out of curiosity. You know, what's
Yeah,
that,
I'm
the
not
first
really
one's a
sure.
fake out here.
But usually, like a lot of times, if it just like kind of breaks one side and then immediately reverses, it often will take out the opposite side. But with it, we have news, and I know it's we still got 12 minutes, but it just feels like the market's just kind of hanging around, just waiting for that news release.
Yeah, 100%. It's gonna go sideways. It can easily go sideways in the next 12 minutes here. And yeah, although again, for smart money traders, you might say like we're gonna have the macro, the so-called macro, in about a minute or two. Could be more volume pouring into the market, but
Ooh,
yeah.
wow, it's pushing. Are you still in your long, Tom?
Yes, my entry is 496.25. I have a partial TP at 598, but look at that. I'm back to break even. It's so crazy.
I keep getting my 10 points and my runners are just getting smashed. It's like, nope.
Wow.
Oh, goodness.
Did you guys see Amazon?
I get very iffy chasing it on the third try. I done tried that twice and got my 10 points, but my runner's just getting smashed.
Well,
sorry to
I think
you.
no, absolutely. I mean, I'm just, it's just gonna go sideways, and that's all. And it's, seeing all these wicks on the top. Actually, I'm just checking the 1 minute time frame right now, but seeing all these wicks as rejections, it's kind of interesting. The only thing that kind of underlines my theory for it to push higher is that the VWAP is inside of this supply zone. Now, the market tried multiple times to go through this supply zone. And I just have this, I mean, the top of the supply zone, it's not going to be super accurate, but it's somewhere around 550 on the micro. So I would say like the market should want to try to completely smash the top of the zone, because usually that's, that's something what used to happen, like at least 70% of the time. And it's trying, but it's getting rejected. But that's why I was a little bit more comfortable jumping in, because we have some other targets. We have the 600 up there. We have some order blocks, but it can't go through. So it might as well just gonna wait for the news. Yeah.
Okay. I am putting a buy stop above the 15-minute orb for a break if it breaks out that direction. So we'll just relax and wait. The level is 540. It'll get triggered if we trade above that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the news release, because if I feel like if I hop in a trade with, especially with YM, that it could take a minute. So I can't trade the news with the Funded Pro, so I'm just gonna hang off for now.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we start the roundtable while we're waiting?
Anytime. Anytime.
Sure.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Are you guys ready?
Let's
Of
do it.
course.
Husk, are you ready?
Yeah,
What? It doesn't sound like you're ready. Husk,
Yeah.
are you ready?
I'm ready.
He's locked
I'm
in.
pumped.
He's locked in.
Yeah.
He's locked in.
All
locked in.
Let's go. The very first topic, breakouts or pullbacks. Which one is better? Tom.
Well, on my end, I would say, although I jumped into a breakout pre-market, but the thing is, I like the pullbacks better. Better risk-to-reward ratios, obviously. I mean, statistically speaking, I would say better risk-to-reward ratios, as you also like to say, cheaper price. Yeah, pullbacks giving better opportunities, better risk management. That's how simple. That's it. Pullbacks.
Tom says pullbacks. Your money is on pullbacks every time. Husk, what about you?
I am definitely a pullback person. You know, I kind of discussed that a little bit about the breakouts. I feel like I've gotten, because I like to trade on the 5 minutes. I think if you're going to do the breakouts, you have to go to a lower time frame, because if you buy these higher time frame breakouts, there's so many fake outs. So definitely a pullback, retest support and resistance, then get long. So I am a huge support and resistance trader, more or less than a breakout trader, even though I'm a fan of the breakouts. But the pullback, I'll like to pull back into a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, or the 15 minutes is my go-to favorite. Previous day close, previous day open, pivots. So 100% pullback, support and resistance.
Husk says pullbacks, don't be faked out with a breakout.
Yep, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you, Husk. Pine, what do you think? Breakouts or pullbacks?
Oh, breakouts for sure. I love trading those momentum candles. I just do. If you catch a nice momentum to the downside or the upside, my favorite is to the downside though. I'll tell you that. I'm not a perma bear, but man, this past few days, few weeks, I would say like the last 2 weeks, we've been kind of trending lower and having those nice little bear days, and catching some of those momentum trades to the downside is just, it's so much fun. Like you catch some of those big caboose candles where
Nice.
it's just, you get a 2-minute candle that's 100 points or bigger, and you're on the right side, and be able to add into that and scale in as it's moving in your favor. It's great. Pullbacks for me is just, I am horrible at pullbacks. To me, I can look at the chart, I can look at the DOM and almost see the momentum going in my favor, where a pullback is a little bit more tricky for me, because I'll say, well, you know, maybe market's going up, so I'm going to try to wait for a little pullback, and then I try to scale in, especially if the market's a little bit slower, and I usually get crushed every time I try to do that. So you really got to know yourself, try to figure out what you like as a trader, and then just go with that. So not to knock any breakout or pullback traders, just know what you like and trade it.
Know what you like and trade it. Pine Tree loves the breakouts. Thank you, guys. I see a mix in chat. Seeing lots of breakouts, also pullbacks. Yeah, trade says breakout for me. Pullbacks, El Barado says pullbacks. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. Break even stop, or leave your stop where it's at and stick with the original stop. Tom.
Well, although I do both, you've seen me putting the stop to break even and vice versa. I'm going to pick the leave the original stop in this case, because as far as I've did so many back testing, and I did my research, I was reading the books and everything. So I'm always getting back to square one, and square one to me is leaving the trade as it is. Put on the risk. And I like to point back everybody for the 10,000 times to Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, and Disciplined Trader. The books are amazing. You put on the trade, you predetermine the risk, and that's it. You're done. Your job is done. Of course, then I'm not saying it's a bad thing to manage the trade by pulling the stops, but I like simplicity. Keep it extremely super simple and putting on the trade, leaving it, and I just want to know my answer. Was the analysis correct or not? You know, that's it. So let's leave it there. That's my option.
Tom likes simple. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Husk?
I think this one also has a little bit to do with size too. So I'm kind of the original stop person when it comes to micros, but I can't tell you how many times I've been burnt doing that. Even though I'm still a fan of it, I still do it. And so like right now, I'm in a trade, I'm up 60 points. My stop loss is still 40 points in drawdown. And I know any minute this thing can come just smashing back down and stop me out. So I'm usually very strict, just leaving the stop where it's at and just, you know, kind of accepting the consequences until I get up to a point of like, you know, if you're up 50 to 75 points, I kind of tell myself like, man, you got to take profit. You got to take profit. Do it. Especially on these trailing drawdown accounts. And
yeah.
So I am definitely an original stop trader.
Husk is also original stop trader, just like Tom. Pine, what do you think? Move your stop to break even or just leave your stop alone and take the loss if it's going to be a loss?
What's a stop?
Who needs stop losses anyway?
No stop loss.
Yeah. No, I'm kind of on the original stop camp, but let's just, for argument's sake, break even stops. I do like to trail my stops occasionally. It depends on what account I'm trading. If you're on an intraday trailing drawdown account, it is nice to trail your stops. You can't really keep an original stop. Especially if it goes in your favor, and if you're trading momentum and breakouts like I like to do, trailing your stop is a nice way to keep your trailing drawdown intact. So just trailing it real tight, kind of bringing it up behind it or below it or whatever it is, and then being able to just have it come back and take you out without losing your drawdown. So
it depends.
Let's go.
Tom, how's your long?
Almost at TP1 at 598.75, swimming in 350 60 something dollars. Looking good.
Woo-hoo!
Almost at TP. And oh my gosh.
I'm long
almost
for 498 myself.
TP1 hits.
Yes.
TP1
Yes.
hits. Hey. And now I'm putting it to break even. Yeah. Against my, the thing is, it's good.
Here comes that opening trade that we talked about. If we start moving up, you target that 4-hour high up there at 660s. I think you had a little bit more.
Yeah, my TP is 671.25 is my final TP, although I might going to adjust it lower. I will see what happens. Yeah, depends.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll
Amazing. And Husk, you got in at about 540?
I'm 498's my entry.
498.
I like to trade around whole numbers. We hit those whole numbers, we pull back. Then once we pop those whole numbers again, I like to get long above whole numbers or short be whole numbers.
Actually, I just made the decision. I moved my final TP to 664.50, so just below 65, just to make sure. There's an order block, by the way, at 45 minutes after midnight. But just saying. Okay, so final TP 664.50 on my end. I'm breaking.
Here comes the news.
Let's go. Let's see.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh my gosh! Let's pray, everybody.
No.
Oh,
Let me move into profit. I gotta move into profit.
Nothing happened. What's going on? Nothing.
No. It's
Nothing.
twitching a little bit.
Okay, nothing is happening. No, we're fine.
Lame.
Okay, the news.
That's lame.
It came in at 55.6. The forecast was 54. That's for ISM manufacturing PMI. ISM manufacturing prices came in at 71.1, just a tiny bit higher than the forecast. Construction spending came in lower than expected at negative 0.1%. The forecast was positive 0.2%. Very interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go back to our roundtable discussion.
All right.
Let's do it. And Husk, let us know when you book your profits on your trade.
Yeah.
Okay, scale in or full size? Which one is better? Do you scale in slowly or do you just go, all right, this is what I'm comfortable with. One trade, one size, that's it. Pine, what do you think?
I like to, let's see. I'm gonna say so scale in if it's going in my favor. If I scale in when it's not going in my favor, if I'm in a losing trade, I am not a DCA trader. So I do like to scale into winning trades. I usually like to start off with one mini and then go up from there. That's usually if I'm in a nice trade and it's moving with some momentum. But as far as trying to scale in, this kind of goes back to what I was saying before. You got to know yourself as a trader. I am not a pullback DCA into a zone and see what, like a support and resistance type of trader. I like to take those breakouts and trade on momentum and scale into try to on the winning side. So I'll say scale in.
Pine says scale in, scale into the winners specifically. Husk?
Nice.
Me, I'm a straight full size person. I talked a little about this earlier. I do struggle with the scale in, so it's really hard to me to say, okay, scale in's the best because it's something I've been working on. But at this particular moment, we strictly do the full size. So if we're trading 3 micros or 5 micros, so whatever happens with those set of contracts I put on, I accept for what happens. Now, every now and then I will be a little degen and add to my losers, but that's very, very rare. And I try not to even do that because usually that's when you get yourself in trouble. And I just try to, if I can't add in on a winner, why should I be doing it on a loser? So the only time I will add in is if we pull back and I'm in 1 micro and we get back to where my entry was, I will try to add in at my previous entry because that's the previous level that I'm trading off of. So I'm definitely a full size only.
Husk says full size. Tom?
Yeah, same as well. Full size, like I was just saying earlier, predetermine the risk, putting on the trade at the start and just let it go, and that's it. Although, as Husk was saying, so we talked about this on the backstage, like I'm also learning and want to learn how to scale in more, but I'm not there yet. I just don't feel like I can add that to my regular risk management style. But yeah, full size from the start. Yeah, very simple. And that should not be messing up my risk management and my mindset. That's the main reason for it, by the way. Yeah, full size.
Full size. I like to do both.
Okay. All right.
Real quick, I'm short. This off 601. We'll see. I don't know. You guys are probably still long, but
Yeah.
No, I just got stopped out on my runner.
Ooh.
I just think we come back
long.
into the middle of this range, maybe.
Yeah, most likely it seems like it. Yeah, I'm still long. My stop is at break even. 499.25 is my stop on the micro. But it's a free trade. I was swinging back and forth like in profit and drawdowns. Account currently is at break even by securing the previous partial TP. So, break even is a winning day, everybody. Never forget that.
Yes.
Break even days are winning days. That's it. Never forget that.
Second best day, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And flat days too. Like if you just stay flat in account and you don't trade it, it's still a winning day, which I feel like is counterintuitive. That's something that I have to constantly remind myself, like, hey, look, being flat, that's a position too. And it sure beats a red day. Like just stay flat. And that we don't have to trade all of our accounts every single day either.
Yeah. 100%.
You guys, I got such great news and I got distracted. I was like, oh my gosh, no way.
Well, please tell.
Such amazing news. The 50% off of all of the accounts, it looks like it's still active through the August 14th. I wonder if that's for new customers. Let me
Let's go.
find
Okay,
out.
we love that. We also need to find out if the ones like myself who used up their true 2 credits for that 50K, sorry, 50% discount, can we use more? Because I have some money to spend, so I would really buy some more accounts.
It's
Yeah,
pretty
right.
good.
Oh, yes, it's the same one from July. So for
That's-
anyone, 50% off!
Oh, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. We love it.
Go. We love it. Okay, I think we have another topic left from Roundtable, right? I think we do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, we have 2 left. Yes. NQ or ES? Which one is better? Tom.
Well, I'm absolutely an addict to adrenaline and dopamine and all those things. So I like to go with NQ because, maybe when I get older, maybe I will
Slow down a little bit.
maybe I will slow down
Oh.
and go to the ES. But everybody, I mean, yeah, NQ. One more thing though, and that's like really technical. I do trade in the London session, as you might know it. Many of you guys, I do trade the London session too. In the London session, many times the ES is just so slow. Like I'm kind of a little bit forced to trade on the NQ because at least NQ can move like sometimes, I mean, definitely more decently than in ES in London session. But otherwise, yes, NQ for sure. NQ. I like the movement there. Yeah, that's it.
Tom says NQ, and I'll only switch over 100% to ES once I'm old.
Yes.
Someone in chat said shots fired. Husk, what do you think? NQ or ES?
I am strictly NQ. I do not have the patience for ES. It's almost like I gotta close my eyes. Like, did we move? Nope. And like, I'd have to get up and walk out of the room because we're moving so slow. I'm an instant gratitude type person. It's like I want to get my points, get those quick money, and then sit back like, oh yeah, watch it go. But with the NQ or ES, you gotta sit there for a few minutes to wait for that baby to move, especially if we're not during the first hour of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Husk likes the fast
NQ all the
action
way.
too.
Yeah, fast action all the way. NQ.
NQ all the way for Husk. Pine, ES or NQ?
Oh, I'm addicted to the NASCrack, 100%. The NQ for me is it fits my personalities. Just I'm very kind of like I can't really sit still very long, and so NQ for me is definitely the way to go. And like Tom said, when I like to trade YM when I'm feeling a little, and it is a little more relaxing. So when I retire from the NQ, I'm gonna be trading the YM probably, not ES. I hate ES. I can't trade ES. Save my life. I've tried. Every time I make an ES trade and it's a winner, I feel like I'm a genius. I don't know what it is. I think a lot of it is because I like to trade on momentum, and ES just really doesn't have that momentum. And NQ, you can get away with being in the wrong direction and still have a nice trade. I guess the overall market could be trending higher, and then you take a short and
Yes.
catch a nice move. So I do like NQ for that.
Yeah, Charlie Trading says hyper scalper here. NQ, obviously. Yeah, what you're saying, Pine. It can be trendy and you can still get a quick, nice trade.
Yeah.
Okay, next topic, order flow or price action. Do you use order flow or look at price action? Husk.
Strictly price action. I kind of brought this a little bit pre-market in the back. The back is I try to want to know as little as much as possible when I'm trading, because I've always felt like if I know what the ES is doing, if I know what like as far as order flow is doing, like I feel like I overcomplicated. So I like to stick to strictly price action, support and resistance. And this way you're not talking yourself out of trades. Because I feel like the more information you have when you're trading, they almost start contradicting each other. It's kind of like, well, order flow told me not to take this trade, but price action did. So strictly price action for me.
Husk says, don't get confused. Just stick with price action. Tom?
Right.
Well, yes, it's easy. It's price action. I mean, I did tell you guys that I want to learn more about order flow, which I still want to, by the way. I know there's always something trendy going on in amongst the day traders and the day trader space, but like I learned, when I started to relearn everything, it was price action, and although I was always testing other types of methods. I go back to the row charts and just candlesticks and price action patterns. I do like it. I feel like price action can really give you a narrative. Like you can read a story. You can build up a story when you're trying to read price action, and that's what I really like. So it kind of helps me to build a plan, to stay more disciplined, more focused. So I'm just having an easier time to build up a story with the price action. But that being said, of course, I will definitely study order flow. But yeah, price action. Yeah, 100%.
Tom says price action. Figure out the story, tell the story, hop in the trade, and let it play out.
Yeah.
Hein?
Price action for sure. I do use a little order flow during the Globex Open though. It's more or less the histogram. I use the histogram, look for what I call zero prints on a histogram. So those are not orders that might be filled or resting orders or anything like that. It's what's already happened. And then it just shows little gaps in the price action, I guess, in a way. And so I'll use those for targets sometimes, where especially if you have a little groups. So if you have a bunch of orders above or below a certain price that got filled, and then you have a little gap in between there where there was no orders that got filled because the price moves so fast. So you'll see that during the New York Open, or sometimes if there's news, or during the Sunday night, or the Globex Open, and you'll see those little zero prints. So I use a little mix, but throughout the day, I just price action is king to me.
Price action is king, but sometimes you do a mix.
Yes.
Guess what's up next? What? Our favorite
Quack
segment.
Quack.
Yes!
The quack segment.
Quack.
Quack, quack.
Cat, are you guys ready? Type in 1 if you are ready for the duck race. Quack.
Everybody's ready.
I'm ready. Quack.
I've been still trying to find me a duck just to have in the background.
Let's go!
I haven't found one yet.
Need to find a real duck. That's the
Real
job.
Look at all of the ducks lined up. You guys look fabulous.
Oh my gosh. Good luck.
Quack, quack.
It's happening.
Who's in the lead? Quack, quack. Gabe
my gosh.
Boogie is in second place right now, trying to take over first. Anton, go, go, go.
Go.
Quack. Quack, quack. Soul Trades is in the lead. 11 seconds left. Quack, quack.
Soul Trader.
Go. Go.
Evian 23 is in first place. Let's go. Top 10. You guys are the winners. Congratulations.
Congrats, guys.
Let's
You
go.
do have to be present, so make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm in order to claim your prize. Congratulations.
Let's go. Congratulations to the winners. And lock
Yes.
into the chat because you need to be here.
Yes, absolutely. And
Nothing.
don't feel sad if you didn't win, because we will be doing another duck race on the other segment very soon here. The form will be dropped.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Let's go.
Let's
I don't even know
go.
what that's from. Is that from a movie or a song or something? I've never heard that before.
YouTube. Oh my
YouTube,
gosh.
okay.
You have to watch it. It is so funny. I laugh so hard. I laugh every single time I see it. Back it up,
Yeah.
Terry.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
I'm not
What
gonna
are you
lie.
doing?
For a minute, I thought they got Corey to do it. I was like, did Corey do that one? Corey did
No,
it.
for a second there, I thought that like Pine is like, what is he saying? Like, I don't know. Oh my
I'm
gosh.
putting a link in the chat if anyone wants to check out the short video. It's so funny.
That is how I feel half my days trading. Get up,
Oh.
Terry. What you doing, Terry?
What you doing? Oh, you should have done that. And by the way, guys, I moved my stop loss to 521.50. If we trade higher than, I don't know, the 618 or something, I'm going to move my stop higher to 550. So we'll see. But because I just feel like we just don't have the momentum right now, and I just don't want to let this trade go back all the way. So I decided to move the stop when it goes higher. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm stuck sitting on my hands after being long from 498, and this thing's already up 120
Wow.
points. Yeah, we're already
Good
up
job.
just pop. No, I got stopped out on my runner, remember? And I didn't re-enter.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. So we
yeah.
only took 40 points on it. We got
Yeah, I
stopped
moved-
out on that big red candle pullback.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Well, I moved my stop to 551, so secured in some profits there. So overall should be ending up in the green. But I'm just kind of curious, why are we going sideways this much? Maybe the new oh yeah, we're already in the new hour. I was like, maybe the 10 a.m. session, but like we're already in the 10 a.m. session. I don't know. I mean, usually I feel like the AM session kind of finishes up the job until like 11:30 ish. So usually this is why I don't really like to trade the lunch hour. I know it's the lunch hour has its own type of price action or its own type of patterns, but I just don't like that, to be honest. So whatever I do, I try to get out from the market at least until 11 or 11:30, just saying.
Same. Whenever I'm trading in that afternoon, I usually end up giving up any profits that I made in the morning. It's just it trades so differently. I did win the 15-minute order trade, you guys. The pew pew trade.
Nice.
Nice. Awesome.
Yeah, nice on the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love those quick trades. They're breakout trades. So when they run, they go in your favor right away. You take barely any heat and then it's off. It's so fast.
Is there a certain point target, or you just hold it for glory? Or 1-for-1 on the 5 minutes?
I always have to remind myself to be very clear about, oh, look at this, you guys. NQ is pushing even higher. It's up by about 230 points now. We are going for that overnight high. We're not that far away. Yeah, so it just really depends, Husk. I try and make it very clear to myself. I say, Terry, like this is just a scalp trade, or Terry, this is you're gonna try and hold this trade. Otherwise, I get into trouble if I don't do that. As far as scalping goes, I am very discretionary about it. Like it just depends. Yeah.
Okay.
I think there's no other
I don't
way.
like those. Yeah.
Go on.
Oh, no. What were you going to say, Tom?
I was just trying to say, like, for scalping, because I got the question, okay, let's do scalping. What is the best way of scalping? So I get this all the time. And I was asking the same question years ago, like, what is the best scalp? And there's like, on the technical side, there's lots of ways. But at the end, by the way, it's always going to be discretionally. It's always. I tried like dozens of different type of scalping methods, indicators also hand in hand with price action, and only row price action, candlestick patterns, everything. I really did a lot of back testing with scalping because like everybody wants to make that quick money. But my result that I came through, the conclusion was that, okay, whatever I do, it's going to be discretionally. So scalping is I think it's always going to be a discretionally trading method. You got to listen to your intuition, more chart time, more experience. And that's why it just got into my mind, as you said, like you trade discretionally. I think that's the only way to do scalping, by the way.
Yeah, it's like you find that you get the best results that way.
Yeah, I mean, you just find a system or an approach that kind of fits your personality. You start to recognize those patterns. It could be an indicator too, by the way, but you must recognize that patterns that repeats over and over, most likely on the lower time frames, and just go for it. And the rest is just risk management. So, just find something that fits your personality and go for it.
Pine, are you in a trade?
Well, I'm looking to see if NQ wants to break out to
Focus.
the upside, but I'm in real heavy at 2 minis. Not looking good though.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. No.
Are you in long, Pine?
Yeah, I'm long.
You're in long.
Nice.
Oh, that's good. Okay, then I thought you were short. Okay, I think the longs are looking good.
No, my
Yeah.
short actually missed my
Longs looking
TP
good.
by like 2 points, and then it kind of like it didn't tilt me, but like I was like, oh, like on my short trade, it went down to like what did it go down to? 525, and I had to take profit of like 523 or something like that, and I was like, oh, and then it reversed on me.
We do
But
have
trying to
a
buy
time-
this breakout here with Tom. It's
say
looking
going.
okay.
Let's say we have a 15-minute pivot at 48. So it should hit that a time or two before it pops it.
So the IB, the initial balance of which for people who don't know, it's the first hour of whatever session. So this would be the 1 hour IB on the New York. It's going to close in about 9 minutes here. And for it to close at the very high of the IB, it's very bullish for it to break out above that. Like statistically, if you do a back test, it's like over 90%. If we close within that top 25% of that IB range, it's like 90% chance that we'll break the high before we break the low. So yeah, this is looking super bullish. My goodness.
Yeah, I moved my stop to 596.75 just in case it wants to take the elevator down. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm definitely winning on this trade. I locked in 100 points, so there's no problem with it.
Let's
I'm just
go.
curious if we're gonna go 664. So yeah, let's go. And so just curious if so. I'm not gonna scroll back. And by the way, I left my mouse at home, so I just have the touchpad on the laptop, so I don't want to scroll back on the screen here, but. There's an order block at 667 or 8, somewhere up there. So I thought that's where we're heading to. But I just think that, it can also take the elevator any second. So we can sweep. There's a 1 minute fair value gap just at my stop loss. So we can easily drop down, like easy 50 points of a drop in a second or two. So that's why I moved. Yeah.
Oh, it is pushing.
Terry knew. Terry knew I was in a trade.
I know.
She knew. She looked over. She's like, he's in a trade. Yeah, I was in real heavy. I took off one for about 20 points. Now I got a runner going on. But yeah, I was in a little heavy there.
You know what, guys?
Squirming.
I'm sorry. I'm just gonna close this trade. I don't care. I'm closing it. I'm taking the profits. That's it. Let's close it.
Let's go. Nice trade.
Pine and Tom.
Why wait for those few points here? Just take it. That's it. Sorry to interrupt, Pine.
I want to see if this. I'm gonna keep a stop at 605. I'm gonna risk 30 points. One mini. I'm up on the account. I just wanted to see if it goes up through that high. We'll see. To me, we just broke out of a little combo trade on the 2 minute and kind of that 5 minute consolidation. So maybe it wants to continue. Even if it zombie crawls to the upside, I'll be okay with that. But
This is it's incredible. We did not go back and test the 5 minute orb low, like not once. Like once that low was made, it's just been one direction.
Yeah, and YM's still strong as well. So, and with that oil news that you said earlier, where it was dropping, I mean that seems pretty bullish. I don't know. We'll see here. I mean, I lost a little bit on that last trade, so I'm sitting right around 3,000 unrealized. But if we can take out that high, this will be a nice trade here. There we go. I might. Yeah, there's a little pump there. All right, let's take that off. Let's take that off. So
awesome.
33.89.
Awesome.
That was about $850.
Let's go.
Let's go. W for Pine.
But it really, what happened was I ended up going short off that 10 o'clock candle. I had a nice little reversal going, and then I ended up flipping the switch. We came down and just missed my TP. And then once we reversed that, I was like, uh-oh. And we kind of put in that a little bit of a bull flag break here. And I said, oh no, I said, I gotta get out. I think, the longs are in play here. And then so I tried to reverse there with Tom, get in with Tom there and take out that high. But it was a little, man, I'm like sweating. That was a little bit, it's a little uncomfortable trade there.
I mean, that's what the mini does to everybody, by the way.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I'm
when you trade
so gray.
minis, you have to make sure you're wearing deodorant. Tip.
Oh, yes. 100%.
Yeah. Double dose. Axe Black for the win.
Let's go. I see we have 320 likes, you guys.
That's nice.
Zing. Okay.
I was thinking
So
Tom was hoping for 350, so I thought he would
Okay,
get
so yeah,
350.
I was just saying, like, can we do 350? Now, I'm so happy. I do see 747 viewers. Thank you so much for being here with us. I know it cannot be that difficult to get us to 350 likes. We still have how much? 3 minutes to get there. So everybody, it's easy. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, easy. Few clicks, push it, and let's do it. How much we're doing? 322. Come on, it's easy.
I've been watching it. One time we hit over 800 watchers.
Whoa,
Oh my
let's
gosh.
go. On
Love
YouTube.
It wasn't too long, but we were over 800 for a few seconds there, or a minute or so.
Amazing.
Yeah, we also have a bunch of viewers, a couple hundred on X as well. So thank you everyone over on X.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, let's get to that 350. I do see 334 right now, although maybe it's a little bit more. So it's easy, guys, super easy. 16 more to go, and I know I'm trying to refresh.
Seven more.
Seven more to go.
now.
Come on, everybody. 7 more to go. So it's easy. And by the way, until we're waiting for more likes, I must say that today's roundtable was amazing. I also need to thank you, Terry, because guys, Terry, she's working a lot on the topics and the questions and everything. And it's really amazing topics there. And everybody, the vibes are amazing. The best community out there, just saying.
Thank you, Tom. It's a team effort for sure. We are such a great team. I love it. Thank you, everyone, and our community. This is what it's all about. We are growing a positive, encouraging community. Come here, hang out with us, have fun, learn a bit. If you need a hug, if you need a virtual hug, like let us know.
That's a good one.
Let us know in chat. Yeah.
Might have to ask for one of those one day. Terry, I need one of those virtual hugs. I just got
Anytime. I am here. I will give you a virtual hug. So we have about 2 minutes left. Last minute thoughts before we head out. Tom?
Well, again, thank you for the positive vibes. We hit the 350 likes, by the way. So good job, everybody. Amazing.
Thank you.
The best community out there. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. Husk, last minute thoughts?
I say if you're green, put it away for the day and go enjoy your Monday.
Okay.
So,
if you're green,
unfortunately,
just stop. Stop.
Yeah,
what you're
Just
doing.
stop, put it away, enjoy your Monday. There's nothing worse than being green. You're like, you know what? Let me see if I can get a few more points. Then you're irritated for the rest of the day if it goes against you. I can't tell you how many times I've done that, but it would just ruin your day.
Oh, yeah. 100%.
So keep it a good day, Husk says.
Yep, always a good day.
Pine?
I'm just gonna I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day. Probably I'm gonna go grab some Dunkin' maybe or a little treat, and then hang out and watch Ike and Corey the phone trader who are on next. So
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. I see they're on deck. They are ready to give you guys a plenty of energy. Corey, the phone trader, Forex Ike, and there will be another duck race. Thank you, everyone, for joining us this morning, and thank you for smashing those likes. It does help. It does work. Yeah. We will see you guys back tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Thank you.
We back at it. We back again,
We back
man. What it do? What happened,
What it do?
bro?
What it is?
Uh,
Thanks to that
man.
roundtable, another amazing roundtable. Every Monday and Wednesday, they kill it. I just love it. Every Monday, Wednesday, crushing it. These
Knocking
guys.
it out the park, knocking it in seconds like Mike Tyson.
That's right. Pop, pop. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, Street Fighter.
What you got going on today? What you got going on?
Man, nothing, man. So I've actually been on chill mode this morning, man. I got 2 funded accounts and that's it. So I gotta be careful, like SpongeBob told Patrick. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful.
That's it. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna mark this up. I'm still trading those the same funded from last week. You know, got a little payout there and going for another one. You know, so I'm gonna just do my little 30-minute markup and see what the market gives us. But like, it's been wild. I feel like every time we're talking, the market's been wild. I mean, look at this run up that we've been having, right? Like we're just moving one
Man.
direction here. It's like,
This
what do we
joker,
do?
it's like it just found the bottom. It was like reverse, like that cha-cha slide song, man.
2 stops one time. Let's see what we got. Let's see. So you take any trades yet, or you've been chilling?
Man,
today, this
no,
morning?
I always hold out for you now, brother.
Same. And I'm happy too, because I see this running like this, and I'm like, in my head, I'm like, oh man, I probably would have caught this, but in reality, I might have been trying to fade it and got popped, right? Like,
Yeah.
so no regrets. I never feel that FOMO if I didn't take any trades. We're here at the market now. Let's see what we can catch. Maybe a couple little ICT scalps, a couple support and resistance closure belows, some liquidity zone reversals. You know how we do.
Yeah, man. I was gonna get in for that sale. Glad I didn't, because apparently look what happened. I had a sell signal right here. Anytime we break structure and I get a sell signal like this one earlier, it ended up getting profit. It ended up going down, but I was like, nope, nah, I can't do it, man. I'm just sit on my hands and be like Patrick when he told SpongeBob, careful, SpongeBob, careful, SpongeBob.
Yeah, same. I'm looking for some type of rejection zones, or maybe if we can get this 5-minute candle to close above my support, my resistance, maybe turning support, maybe get into a buy to keep going, because you know the market does this. It keeps moving up. People are like, it's got to turn around now, and they get into a sell, and then what happens? It just keeps going up, right? Like we see that all day. I'm
not going to go against it today, because normally I'd be like, ooh, we created a higher high. Let me try to get in for a sell. And then I get cooked like well done, burnt on the grill every time.
That's right. It's Monday. We're not trying to get cooked on a Monday. You know what I mean? Look at that push. It's still moving.
I'm waiting, man.
So yeah, chat, I'm waiting too right now. I'm just waiting for like a closure above here. And of course, we're also going to be trying to mess with a couple little ICT scalps, you know, where I'm going just for those 4 quick points. I know 4 points on NQ. People think that's crazy, but it pays the bills. Money comes in. 4 points on NQ. It's all you need sometimes, you know?
Little by little, brick by brick.
Exactly. And chat, like and share. We got 20 accounts to give away. We're going to do another duck race soon. 20 accounts, like, share. And I think Terry said that 50% off on the on all those plans is now for another 2 weeks or so, right? So if people didn't pick them up, 50% off. So let's see what we got here. So yeah, I'm just waiting on this closure.
Go ahead, brother. You good?
No.
I was just finna say, man, who you know doing it like that, man? Nobody, baby. That's what's up.
Scalp it like me.
Nobody. That's what I'm talking about, man.
That's it. Yeah, I did a little stream on Friday. On my own YouTube there, and then when I hit the final winning trade, I just went into a whole little. I think I was singing some Usher or something. I just went into a whole.
Oh my!
I lost myself in the music. I forgot I was live. You know.
Dude, I gotta get a hold of this YouTube channel, man.
Yeah. I'll send you some little.
Man, you got to, man. I gotta run it up over there, man.
Gotta run it up, man. You know, I just jump on there randomly, like a little surprise. Like, all right, Friday afternoon, let me jump on this. All right, we got a nice little closure here above I'd like a little pullback, and then I would put a buy stop. I just want a little pullback. You know what I mean? Like,
we in the same boat, my boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you getting in that, or are you waiting?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Looking at the same thing. The one thing that I'm also looking at, which is kind of giving me a little hesitation, is we got this wick over here, the last 5 minute, and the 5 minute candle before that also is leaving a nice big wick. Pause. So like, I'm always afraid, as you know, to buy if I see wicks below. You know what I mean? So that's also giving me a little bit of reservation. But hey, maybe that's the problem. Sometimes when you wait too long, it goes without you. But you know.
So I'm thinking about this, man. I think I don't even know what account I'm on, man. See, I'm so discombobulated. 34. So this is the 25K funded account. I think I'm gonna try to go for a $200 trade right here. We'll see. Hold on. Looking for it to feel me all the way. Pause.
Pause. I might try a little Ike CT scalp. So I put a little sell limit at the break of this candle, just anticipating a push up and then a quick pullback, a quick little hiccup. That's all I'm looking for here. We'll see if we can get it popping.
So a half of 1-to-1 is right here.
Oh, nice. Nice running. Come on.
So all right, I'm taking some profits. I'm taking more. I'm following it. Yep. 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 Give it here. Yep.
Let's see. I just got pushed into this trade here.
Looks gutsy.
Let's see.
You in a stop or a buy?
Yeah, I'm in a buy now.
Okay.
I mean a sell. Sorry, I got into a little sell at the top of that candle, anticipating a pullback, but doesn't look like we're pulling back. Looks like we're filling this range right up. Yep. So I'll probably get stopped out on this one.
It looked like it was getting ready to come back down.
That's what they want you to think.
Yeah. Sorry, Rabbit. Tricks are for kids.
Bah! Let's see.
I
got my memory eraser just in case I lose this trade. So
it's all good. I believe this thing gonna pull back down.
Let's see.
I'm watching it close, just like you. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful.
That was a nice trade you took over there. You know, I was stuttering over there. I'm like, you just like popped in there. Boom, grab it.
Man, I'm tired of going against the trend and getting cooked. So I'm like, let me try going with it for once, man.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying? Hey, we going both ways and still can make money. I believe this thing can still come back down.
See, I don't need to come down that much. I just need a quick 10 points down and I'm out. Just need a quick tenner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
It's playing with me. With me.
And I got a signal on the 1 minute over here. Yeah, this thing look like it's gonna come down.
Come on, guys, send it down. Send it down. I'm in a trade here. You make me look foolish in front of all these people. I'm hanging out with Corey. You got me in the cell over here. There we go. Send it down a little further. Come on.
Hey, I'm on the phone with him right now. Hey, my boy needs a good trade right now. Y'all need to come on down. Quit playing, man. Come on, man. Quit playing.
I guess
I'm off the phone.
Yeah, I guess they're like, leave me alone.
I shouldn't have got on the phone.
We'll take this L. We take that L with a smile, and then I erase. I'll do a quick memory erase.
Here, I got you.
Back on it.
Here, go. Yep. Here we go. You ready?
All right. Yep.
All right. Here you go. Oh, look, I ain't got my shades on, you dumb. What an epic.
Yeah, you're gonna erase too. Right?
I'm gonna erase myself. All right, look here, sir.
All right. All right. 10:30.
We're
back at it. We back
brand new
at
day,
it.
Man. It's a brand new day.
It's a brand new day. So let's see. So right now, I'm still bullish here. If we can, I mean, how can we not be bullish, right? So I just need a closure above. This one faked me out. I got popped on this one, but let's see if we can catch a closure above here and keep it moving up, or if we're going to start respecting and then pull it back down, because you know these wicks are calling. They're calling and saying, please, price, come back, come back.
Man, I'm looking at this 1 minute and we just keep riding the 9 and the 20, man.
So we are respecting here, but like, I don't know, man.
I'ma just go with the flow, man. I'm tired of going against the waves out there in the ocean. I'm getting sucked up by the water. I'm drowning. Help! Somebody, help me! Help me, please! Help me! I'm tired of that.
Let's see. Let's see if I can catch a little, maybe a little Ike CT. I do like how we're respecting over here. I'm gonna try another short here, another Ike CT short. Let's see if we can catch it.
I do like that though. I do like that. At the top of that wick, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get it. See if we can get it.
My Funded Future said form in 5 minutes. Y'all get ready, get ready. You tagged in?
I'm tagged in a quick sell here. I just need there we go, and I'm out. Okay.
All right, let's go. Got
quick
it.
dubs, quick dubs.
Go,
so I'm
baby.
1-on-1 right now, 1-on-1. Let's see.
I feel you, Abstract. Abstract said, come on, Papa needs a new phone.
Let's see. We are respecting this resistance here. Like it's looking like it's starting to get tired from pushing up. It might need a little pull back over here, right?
I'm thinking about it. I'm finna go in, brother. I'm going in for surgery. I'm finna see.
Guys, like and share. We got 20 account giveaway coming up soon. So like, share, invite your friends. Tell them if they win the giveaway, they got to give you something for it. You know what I mean?
I'm going in for surgery,
Okay,
man.
let's go.
We're gonna see.
Let's go. Come on. We're gonna need you to send price down, please. Send the price down.
Send it. Come on, Lee.
Ship it.
All right, I'm moving this
push.
stop loss right here. I'm moving that.
I'm gonna wait for a closure here. If this candle closes, oh, nice. There we go.
Got it.
There we go.
I got it.
He's on fire.
Boom shakalaka, NBA jams. Man, finally, it's like, man, I always start off red, man. I'm like, what is going on? Market makers, y'all tripping now. What's wrong with you? Come on.
So chat, what I'm waiting for now is I want this candle to close below, like somewhere around here, pretty much where it is. Then I want that next candle to kind of come back up, test this resistance area, and then I'd get into a sell below when it starts pushing back down. That's kind of what I'm looking for right now. Again, if this closes above, though, I think I'm looking for us to keep going up and filling this range, you know? So it's really like I'm going to follow what this candle does. This candle's going to kind of tell me which way we might be heading, you know?
This is all I'm looking for.
You're going to put in a buy stop over there? Or?
I'm a wait, but man, I feel like it's going to touch the 20 EMA and then pop up again. I'm going to just wait to see if it's going to come down here and touch it. If it come back up here, then I get back in again.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try it.
I like it. I like it.
Hey, where we at on the likes? I'm seeing some people say we only need what, like 8 more likes? Let me check, man.
On.
For 400?
Share it on Facebook. Share it everywhere. Share TikTok. I mean, we got to get them. Come to YouTube. Get these likes. Get in and win an account. Like 20 accounts.
Y'all, we need 3 more likes to hit 400. Y'all, come on now. Do I gotta, man? I'm a brother. I don't know whether they'll say something or not, but I got a whole gear right here in this little thing back here. Got a whole granddaddy gear.
What you got?
Got the granddaddy glasses, the beard.
Oh, nice. You should have came on wearing that.
I should have, man. I was like, oh no, man. Somebody might say something, but hey, we're gonna be spontaneous over here, man.
Wednesday. We got it.
Yeah. We gonna try it, there, man.
I got some of these from the clouds behind me. I could put it on like a little beard.
Yeah. Hey, acting like them old granddaddies, man.
We'll be the Unk Trading Show. The Unks.
I like you, man.
Unk Trading Shows. We do it.
And we ought to do that Wednesday for real. All jokes aside.
Let's see. This candle's closing soon. I'm going to wait for this next candle to kind of do a push up. And then I'm going to put a sell stop, kind of like anticipating to come down after, if I can catch it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get the push up. I want that push up first.
Yeah.
Before I do this. Let's see.
We got 406 likes, y'all. Good job. Let's run it up some more. Good job. Let's run it up, man.
Let's go.
Let's get to 500. Can we get to 500 likes this stream, man? Hey, man, I know y'all can.
We can do it.
You can do it. You can
do
hit the
it.
like button.
All right, there's a little push.
Yep.
I'm going to put a sell stop here. Got a sell stop here. Really, my thought here is price came up. We tested this resistance once, twice. All right, we're in this trade right now. Just looking for a nice little push down here. Fill this range right back down is kind of what I'm looking for. See if we can catch it. Oh, the market makers are on to me today, man.
Man, that's crazy, man.
They're on to me today.
And I want to get in for a buy, but I'm going to wait.
Might be the move. The buy. Yeah, we are pushing.
I'm missing it, man. I might have to take this, man.
Yeah, guys, this is post payout blow up
late.
is a real thing. Like I got my payout last week, and now today I am just like, I'm not jiving with the market right now. You know what I mean? But like, this always happens after a payout. It's like I get my money, I'm feeling good, just got paid, and all of a sudden I'm like getting popped.
I got a payout last week, man, and that stuff is real, man. It's like I'm on a payout high. It's like I'm invisible, can't nothing stop me, touch me, and then the market's just like, buddy.
Yeah.
You think that you're confident? Let me stop you now.
Exactly. Come on.
Let's go, man. Give these profits now.
Let us see. Man, at least if you were in a buy, one of us would be winning. I'd still be happy. You know what I mean?
Man, it's all good, man.
Let's see. We still in it. Look, these wicks all got filled here. I think that these wicks down here are just waiting for it. Like the question is, am I too early? But these wicks is waiting. Let's see.
I'm waiting to get in.
Tell you, we close above here. I'm gonna like buys then if we close up here.
I'm so scared of sales, man. I'm with you. I had that same bias, man. But I'm like, man, I get cooked every time doing this.
No, it's so right. It's so right. It's there we go. And I'm out on that.
It's all good. It's all good, man.
So let's see. We're not done. We are not done.
A doo-doo-doo. You know what that means.
Form is in the chat, everyone. Look at your chat. Form is in the chat. Fill it out. 20 accounts. Spread the word.
Tell your mom, your dad, your mama, your papa, your cousins, your second and third and fourth. And tell your brothers and your sisters to come on, man. Hit the button, man. Come on.
Push the button. Come on, push the button.
That's what's up. Let's go, MyFundedFutures.
Push the button.
They found it. Let's go. I didn't have to say it. Let's go. MyFundedFutures. I love y'all, boy. They found it. That's what's up.
Let's see. We get a little closure here, and then maybe we go up. We'll see how we feeling. What about you? What are you looking at?
I was looking for this, man, but we getting some rejection right here, man. So this look like if I get in, it's gonna stop me out and then pop back up. So I'm waiting to see if it's gonna pop down more. Then I might get in. But it's proving me wrong.
I'll tell you, the candle is closing above here, so I gotta just stick with my same strategy. If the next candle comes down and tests this, I'm gonna put a buy stop, and anticipate the range getting filled up. I mean, even if I take a couple L's, this is a strategy that gets paid. So of course it's not gonna work 100% of the time, right? Like there's no such thing. There's a nice little push down there.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put a lemon order in, man. I'm gonna put
The
a
bottom
lemon
of that
order.
candle.
Yep. I'm looking for the 3-minute gap fill. If it come back down, it don't seem like it. But there's a small gap on the 3-minute. This red candle, then green. I'm looking. It don't look like it, do it?
Come
Jeez,
on.
man.
Give us a chance. Give us a chance to get in here.
One more chance.
Let's see.
Come on, give me one more chance.
Let us see.
Man, shout out to anybody who caught buys like down here
Yeah.
and is holding.
Yeah.
Golly, that's ridiculous, man.
Come on. Let me in. Let me in. Yeah, I also want that same type of pullback down to like 737 or so.
Yeah.
And then I'd be looking to get into a buy here. But
see, I'm gonna have to cancel this order because now I don't know if it'll come down here or possibly come fill this gap. Jeez. Well, we definitely switched our bias, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Woof, woof, meow. Jeez.
Look at that push, man.
Golly, boy.
Yeah. I'm gonna draw up some more resistance here because we're just filling all the way up.
Hey, this is definitely the Titanic scene where what's her name? Oh, Jack and who was the girl name?
Rose. Yeah.
Jack, don't leave me, Jack. Don't go, Jack.
She's like, don't leave me, and then she pushes him off the
I know.
It's like, don't leave me. See ya.
You bipolar wild boy. That's crazy.
It's like, what?
Don't tell the man not to leave, but bye at the same time.
Right.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Bye.
Bye. He's like, I'm trying to hold on.
Man, like, I'm help me. Like Kevin Hart say, help me.
Let's see.
I mean, man, do I start looking at like these numbers like 800, 900? Man, like I don't know whether these work or not, but I've heard people say they do. Excuse me. That was rude.
So that those numbers you put up there, the 800, is that something you drew up there or like an indicator to put those lines at 20?
No, man, I just hear other traders talking about it. Like they'll take a sell or buy like at 800, the whole numbers. I've heard about that. That's actually something to ask. You know what I'm saying? That's a good conversation to talk about. But I don't like to take these unless I get a signal right around it, like on a 1 minute time frame or something.
Like something to confirm it. Yeah.
Yeah. Just willy-nilly just going in like that. Let's see. I might take a chance on this to see what everybody talking about these whole numbers.
We are pushing, man.
Like seriously pushing. I feel like there's some type of retracement got to come now. Like we got gaps to be filled. Like
wicks to get filled. Like everything.
Man.
Chat also, you know, we still got that 50% off code YouTube. So definitely if you're looking at some new strategies or wanting to try something new, you know, now's a great chance to pick up a nice discount on an eval and try some things out and see if you can turn it into a payout.
This is exactly what I'm talking about, brother. Look, I'm getting a 1 minute signal around this 800.
So you got a sell limit up there.
No, I'm waiting to see this candle close. If this candle close red, then I'm gonna get in for a sale. But if it keep coming down, no, I'm not finna get in this. I would look for a sale to come touch this 9 EMA, but if it come touch it before, shoot. Jeez, man.
You know, thinking of getting into a buy to just fill this wick up.
Now I'm thinking about getting in for a sale. We'll see. Hold up. Let me see. I'm waiting.
It's respecting so far.
I can't do it. I'm too scared. I can't do it, though. I'm too nervous, man, to go against this market like this.
She. Man.
I'm going to get in for a buy.
I like it. I like it. I just don't have the cojones to do it, but I like it.
Why not?
Let's go.
I'm getting here. And then watch it come all the way back down.
I like this to keep pushing because I think a lot of people are going to be like, oh, it's got to come down now. And they're going to be selling and it's just going to take them all out. Like it is just moving.
It's just going to keep bouncing up, man. I'm nervous because it might come touch this EMA and then pop up. That's my only thing, man. It's like it get around the 9 EMA and then pop up again. It's like a flag or something, like a bull flag. Yeah, see?
Incredible run since the morning, man. Like, look at this. Since like 9:30, literally. Just incredible.
Look at this, man. It's just going. Sheesh.
Come on now. Let's get this push going. And then we got the 11 o'clock candle coming up soon, so I'm gonna see what that looks like.
Dang,
but you got another 5 minutes.
I wasn't paying attention. Oh Lord.
Well, Byte Logic System saying he was been in since 478, holding it almost 300 points now. Wow.
Ooh-wee.
Man.
Yeah,
like
I'm out. I took an L. I don't like it.
Yeah. Hourly's closing.
No.
I mean, look, the only way I can hold a trade for 300 points, that must mean my phone died. I fell in water. I fell asleep. I passed out. Like, for me to hold a trade that long, man, it would happen by accident. That's the only way I could let a trade run that long. Otherwise, I'm scalping. I'm in and out.
Get this. I used to do that, man, until I switched to this strategy. Until I really started to notice who Corey the phone trader was.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like fast and furious. I'm trying to like go slow. I'm driving in this nice luxury car, you know what I'm saying, that deserves to drive slow, but I really want to be in the Lamborghini. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we got going. 34 more likes to get 450, guys. Let's do it. All right, so right now what I'm waiting for is I want this next candle to close. If we close below my resistance, which is at like 787-ish, if we close below, I'd be looking for shorts, right? If we close above, even though it sounds crazy to keep running, that's what I'd be thinking. Because really, it would have been crazy to keep running over, an hour ago and it's still running. So it's like, you really can't even look at that, because when you start thinking like, wait, maybe by now this and that, it's like, you're just like coming up with ideas that really may have no weight. You know what I mean? So the best is to not think too much and just follow what you're seeing, follow price. And when price is going up, the best thing to do is go up. And my two L's today were both taking shorts while the market was going up. So
I like this, but man, let me see. Hold up. Ooh, this is gutsy. Trying to take a breakout out of this consolidation. I feel like, well, feelings is fickle, so let me quit saying it. It's almost like I want to wait till it come down here to touch this EMA just one more time and then pop.
Yeah.
I'd rather wait for that because that's the better setup, man.
Yeah, no rush. These candles keep forming, so catch that next one.
Yeah, I'm a set a limit order for this. I'm gonna go $100 on this. We'll see.
So you put in a limit order waiting for price to come down, tap you in.
If it do.
Yeah. All right, 11 o'clock candle just closed. We closed above support. So yeah, And we come down to 788 or so is my resistance, which is like right by your buy limit. Yeah, it's
About the same.
about the same. I'm thinking the same thing as you. Thinking the same thing. Thinking the same thing.
We are at that. We holding at that 800 number again. I find that amazing.
I'm putting a buy stop in at the break of this candle. So if this candle flips, if this red candle will flip, it will put me in. I like how we came down. We tested the support.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little higher up. We'll see if this candle can flip. Take me with you. If it keeps pushing, no harm, no foul.
So where's your buy limit order at? About 800 something?
At 800, pretty much right at 800.
Okay, got you. It came to touch the EMA. Ooh. See, I wanted my entry down here, but it did touch the EMA. I'ma hold it. I'ma just wait. We'll see.
Yeah, it's still pushing.
Cause it just touched the 1 minute EMA. It just did it too.
It's a good little springboard for it, you know?
Man, like it's right there, man. You gonna do me like this again? Ooh, so close.
So you got the limit at 779 waiting in there.
Yeah. It's just ranging in this area.
Yep.
Man, I could have been to made money off this 800, man. It just keep coming down. I could have grabbed profits off this.
Yeah.
Nervous that it's just gonna pop up out of this.
That's what it's been doing, right? So
ain't that old Jack in the Box thing? Pop.
Exactly. So I'm hoping that pop happens because I got my buy stop there. So if price does turn around for a buy, it will take me with it and hopefully fill that range all the way up.
So I got mine. I'm gonna just leave it like this, man. We at 779.50 for our limit order.
Someone asked if we're going in opposite directions. No, we're not. We just have different orders out. I have a buy stop, so I'll be in a buy if this candle flips, and Corey's got a buy limit, so he's waiting for price to come down, activate him, get a better price, get in at like 780, and then go bullish. So we're both bullish. We both have orders in for buys, but none of us have been filled yet. Pause. So
hey, you got me saying that a lot more.
Right.
I'm like, yeah, let me say that.
Oh yeah, so we both seeing the same thing. We're just we got different orders in for different entries. That's it.
Cool. Hey, I do want to apologize if I'm coughing and stuff a lot, man. I actually, y'all, do not feel that good, but I gotta show up with brother. I gotta bring the energy still, y'all.
No, you sound great. Sound great.
Like once I get off camera, I'll be like, all right, let's go later. While we on stream, we gotta turn up. You know what I'm saying?
It.
Put that stuff aside, man. People want to watch the show. People want to be entertained.
Trying to make some money here.
Yeah,
we're trying to make some money.
Oh man.
Yeah, so price just ranging. Like, look at it. We both have orders out and no one got filled. We both got orders just sitting here waiting to get filled and pause. And it's been 4 minutes and we're just chilling.
This is Jeopardy style.
Let's see. Top 20 winners will win the duck race coming up. And then maybe Wednesday we do that tong brain rot race again.
Tong tong shing shing ping pam pum.
Exactly. Tong cappuccino ballerina. Thank you, Punisher, for the love.
Hey man, come on, man. Tag us in here.
Close. You're getting close.
Yo. Is that what type of time we on?
Look at that. Sheesh. It's like 2 ticks away from your entry over there. So I'm liking the buys more now because look, we closed above the resistance, which is now support. The next candle came, tested it, closed above that support now. And now we got this third candle here that started above support. So I am expecting or anticipating this to fill the range up right now. Like that's my whole idea here. Now, if this candle flips, turns bearish, closes below, or if this candle before would have closed below here, I would have canceled this order. But the way we're looking right now, I mean, I'm still feeling bullish, you know, but that's why I got the stop order. I don't just get in it because how I feel does not mean that's what the market's going to do, right?
Facts.
Oh, there we go. About to tag you in there.
Finally. Hey,
Let's go.
what you gonna do?
Come on.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when it come for you? I feel like, man, this thing looks like it's just gonna come on. That
Man.
hit the 200 and pop up. Don't you do me like this, man. Come on, man.
Come on.
I pressed the button, man, and now you want to do this, man? Come on, Craig. Get up, Craig.
Man, look at that.
Yeah, I knew it was coming. It's like it was exhausting. Like,
Yeah.
I'm tired. I'm
Like, I
tired.
Keep going.
It was out of breath.
There we go. A nice little reaction there. Nice little push. Come on. Flip this candle and just go flying up there. Let's do that. Yeah, NQ is really messing with us today.
NQ is like the crazy person. NQ just don't know what it want. It's hungry. It's not. It's sleepy. It's not. It's just, I don't know what I want to do. I just want to be here.
See where we at. Yeah, right now I just gotta wait. I mean, I still got my order out there, but I gotta see where this candle is gonna close here, because even though it's really pushing down, we're still bullish. I mean, we've been moving up. We've got these closures above, and even though price is below here, it's not a closure below for me. So for me, I'm still anticipating price to keep moving up. Look at that. There we go. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing.
I gotta wait. I'm gonna wait. Oh, well, first of all, I'm going break even. I'm at break even.
Nice. Can't let this W turn to an L when the market's being so crazy right now.
Yeah.
Still
if
not
you come tag me out, I might have some words for you. I really don't want to move my my stop loss in profit until he hit half of my 1-to-1. Yeah. Break even.
All right.
I'm literally made $0 on that trade. Cool.
Well, that means you lost $0 on that trade. So
Yep.
That's all good. Someone said we just took previous week's high. Why not looking for shorts? Genuine question. No, that's a valid question. I don't trade looking at the previous week's anything really. I just kind of am doing price action, going for, a few points on these candles. So for me, we're looking bullish, right? I had a closure above, price still closed above. We're respecting this. So for me, I'm bullish and looking for buys. Now, if this candle closes below here, then I would be open to some sells, right? But I don't really look at previous week's high, low, Asia low, or anything like that. Everyone trades their own strategy, and as long as you're profitable doing that, if you're profitable, when there's a swipe of a previous high or low, and that's your strategy and you're profitable, I say keep doing it. Of course, you're making money, don't stop. But for me, this is what makes me money. So I get too confused when I'm starting to look at previous everything. You know what I mean? I don't have the brain power.
So guys, we are at 427 likes. We need 33 more likes, guys, to hit 450. Can y'all do it? Can y'all run it up for your boys? Can y'all hook us up?
Come on.
Can y'all do that?
It does look like we are going to close below here. So I'm going to cancel this order here, and I'm going to see what this next candle does over here. But it does look like we're going to close below here now. This 5-minute candle's closing. So back to the drawing board here.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm a guts it. I'm gonna take if it can come up here and tag me in. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go one micro. Forget you. I ain't playing with you.
Let me try a little Ike CT as well over here. See if I can get a quick scalp here. I might have been just too late on that actually. Let's see.
Oh no, I'm gonna risk 2 micros. Shucks. Oh, well, too late. I got in. I got tagged in.
So nice.
I wanted to get in for $50. This is a $25 trade. It was the lowest I ever did. Money is money, I guess.
Man,
Let me see if I can add another one to that.
it's playing with me here. Oh, I'm in.
You got tagged in. You in for
Got
a buy?
back into a quick buy for 4 points.
Let's go, man. Yes, sir. We'll take that.
There we go. Got him.
Yes, sir. Got a dub. Let's go, baby.
Let's see.
I'm gonna hold this all the way to this TP, man. I'm gonna see.
Right off the EMA.
Yeah, why not? I tried to get in for 2 micros. I tried to double up, but it left without me.
I might try the same trade I just did. The trade so nice, I did it twice. Let's see. Let's see if we can catch another 4 points here. Maybe not.
Ooh. This mug coming right back down. Uh-oh, there we go. Duck race. Where are my glasses at? We're gonna hold off on this trade, y'all. We're just gonna hold it. Looking for a 1 to 2, looking for $50. Actually, you know what? Let me take some of this.
Let's see, where's this race? We got the race starting.
Uh-oh, here we go. Hey,
Here we go.
Hey. Turbo.
Let's go.
Who we got?
We got Rod Balti, we got Tibble, we got Nasdaq, we got Tristan and Kill.
Let's Who we got? We got the police duck in the front.
And the pirate, the police and the pirate. We got the reindeer coming in. We got Leaf 04, Leaf 04. Pitchman. Let's go. Everybody, you know, if you press 1 in the chat, your duck goes quicker, right? Everyone knows that. You hit 1 in the chat, it makes your duck go faster. Not really. Not really. Oh, we got 18. Final 10 seconds. Let's go.
Yeah, but we got this mermaid up front. We got the clown duck coming up. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, where we at? Who's gonna get it?
Let's go. Funded guy, MFFU, we got Ecofax.
He won, and that's facts.
Nice.
Echo got the dub. He's in first, but it's
Congrats
the
to top
15?
20. Congrats, guys. Congrats.
It's the top 20. That's right.
And to Mr. 21st place, I'm sorry, man. That's rough.
That sucks.
I'm sorry, man. Here, if you didn't come in top 20, look over here. I'll help you guys. All right, just right over here. Everybody who didn't come in top 20.
Oh,
there we go. There you go. Now it doesn't hurt that much.
that's funny.
Let's see.
All right, I'm finna get in again.
out
So
for
I grabbed what, 30 something bucks off that trade, man. Off that last trade. I'm gonna get in, man. Let's go. Let's just get in.
Nice. Yeah, I caught another one of those same scalps. Pretty much same entry, same exit for another quick $45, $50.
Got you. Let's
You're
see.
in a sell?
Yeah, I'm in a sale, brother.
Nice. Yeah, it should. I'm liking it to fill this range down. You know, once we have the closure below the range for me, retest. think I'd like to see this wick get filled on the left, and I would go right back into a sell too.
I'm risking $50 on this, trying to keep it decent, I guess, because I'm nervous that it's just gonna shoot right back up again, man. And it looked like it is.
Yeah, you got that big wick to the left. Pause. But
Yep.
that big wick is looking to get filled.
Yeah,
You know?
right back up here. Ah! Yep. We lost. Okay. Where we at?
Let's see.
Now I'm looking to switch to buys again.
I might put a sell stop if price turns around. You know, if price keeps running up, you could just leave me alone. But if price turns around here, I'm looking to get into a sell if it turns around.
I'm in a buy.
It's nice. Fill those wicks.
Yep. I'm at the white line where there's support and resistance, looking for a breakout. We'll see.
So yeah, I just got an order in case price flips, but you know, chat, I always do sell stop orders. I rarely do market orders. Normally I'm just waiting for, you know, I don't get the good entries, those sniper entries and those really great screenshots, because I'm not grabbing price from like the low on the way up. I'm kind of letting price take me with it. So you know, my entries are never great, but the payouts don't say if you have pretty or ugly entries, right? Those payouts just come, and you don't even remember your entries at that point. So
true. Dang, that's a woo! That is nasty. Oh my gosh.
That got me in there. That got me in
Woo!
the trade.
That is nasty, boy. That must cooked me. Dang.
Let's see. Yeah, man, that just moved. That just melted.
Man.
See, my reason for this sell that I'm in right now is price closed below the range. The next candles were respecting it. Put a sell stop after we filled this wick to the left. And now I'm anticipating once we turn around that we should fill this range down. That's my anticipation. But we shall see.
Brother, I'm going. I'm gonna do a buy, what's the name? A buy stop at this white line again. Yep, I'm gonna put a buy stop in. I'm still looking for buys, brother. I'm gonna go. What are you gonna do?
One of us are gonna win now. That's all that matters.
Somebody gonna win.
Somebody gonna make some money.
I just need a quick pop. That's all I need. Man, would you do something?
I know. His price is like, it's like, are we trading ES or something? Is this a, you know, it's like... Those sound effects are amazing.
Yeah. It looked like it. Well, they flipped again.
Chat, anyone in trades, chat? Anyone in buys and sells, waiting, looking for something, made money on the day, just chilling? What's chat doing right now?
I'm gonna just hold this. We'll see. I don't want to move nothing yet.
Rod's waiting. Good idea. Chill.
Hey man, if you go, quit playing.
Just do it.
Just do it. Come on. There we go. Come on. I feel like a pop finna happen, but will it stop me out first? That's the
Man
question.
Smooth made his money and now just chilling. Thank you. Man Smooth. That sounds like, you know that song? Man's not hot. I thought I told you. Man's not hot. You know that song?
No, I don't.
Oh, you gotta listen. That's such a funny song. Might as well hop.
Oh, I just tried moving my stop loss and it's being janky. All right. Okay, I grabbed something. How much was that?
Money.
All right. Grab about $80.
Gotta say, my trades today are not looking great. This is not my finest trading day.
Man, it's all good.
Mhm.
I'm feeling so gutsy. Man, this thing wants to pop, but will it stop me out first? This is another support and resistance. Man, come on. We'll push the button again.
Come on.
Come on, push the button.
Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. I'm in the wrong one. I'm over here
All
fighting.
right. Just get me out of this trade. Let me take this L so I can look for another W.
Oh, man, it left without me. All right. I'm finna get back in right here then.
Man, market has played me today.
It's all good, brother.
Looks like it's about to go higher, Rod said. Yeah, I agree. I mean, here's the thing, right? We are climbing up the EMA over here. We're respecting it. We're bouncing off it. So yeah, I could totally see it going higher. The only reason I'm in this short is for me, I'm getting the closures below. And when I get closures below, I sell. When I get closures above, I buy, you know? So, but I definitely see that, especially the longer I'm in drawdown, the more I see why it should go up, right? So I feel you on that. There we go. See, it's like I'm rooting for a push, even though I'm in a sell, because I'm looking at your screen too. I'm like, come on. I'm like, come on, get that.
Man. If you can get up here so I could take the profit, man. Jeez. Ooh, that's nasty.
You know, the one thing I don't want is both of us to take an L on this. Like,
Man,
like,
that's bananas. I tried waiting until it got up there, but yep, took another L. It's all good. Well, I just keep winning, losing.
See here, we're getting this push a little bit.
Yeah, yours looking all right, man.
Hopefully. I don't know. It's playing with me. It's like toying with me. I feel like I'm like a mouse and the cat's just like whacking me around, like, ha! Like, and I'm just like, oh, come on, just let me out of here.
I'm finna, man, you keep playing with me. Let's see. I'm gonna do a buy stop right up here again. Oh, I'm trying to get in, bro. What's up?
Yeah, I mean,
oh man,
missed it. Oh, you got another shot.
Yep, I'm in. All right. All right, I'm in now. Just go ahead, give me my $200 so I can be done.
Give him the 200 and get me out of this trade and just keep it moving.
Man, come on, go up there. Go to the 800 again, man. All right, I'm gonna just hold this. It's either gonna hit TP or it's either gonna hit stop loss.
Let's see.
I'm just gonna sit on it.
Let's see what happens here. It's like moving slow, but you know, it's like just doing this grind. It's doing that slow grind.
I'm just gonna wait. What are you gonna do?
I think it's finally gonna make that move up now.
Well, we both quiet.
I know, because we're both like, what's going on here? We both waiting.
Jeez,
man. Crickets. Damn. Don't short a dull market. That's a good that's a nice saying, day trade, Tom. It's true. It's when it's boring and dull and it's just doing this grind, people try to short and often get popped on that.
Mm-hmm.
That is true. Man, it's like these candles are just playing.
Yeah. I believe this thing finna stop me out. I wouldn't be surprised. Then it shoot up. Then it shoot down. Shoot up. Shoot down. Choose a side, man.
Come on. So you got your TP where at
800.
800. You know what's so funny? That's where my stop loss is. So
That's crazy.
so you'll be like, yes, and I'll be like,
no,
yeah, good. You know how like sometimes you see people in streams like your stop loss is my TP or something. It's like,
yeah, man.
seeing it. Yes, sir. Yeah, the background noises are fire, man. Those are great. Let's see. Here we go. Slow grind up. I'm telling you, it's just like one of these slow. It's like one of these you just buy and walk away. Whoa!
Woo! Gosh!
What? Oh. Can I get out of this trade now?
Oh my God!
There we go. There we go.
Oh, man, go Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Come on, Terry. Dang. The market makers is like, back it up. Come on, Terry. Back it up, Terry. Man, that was nasty.
And it was so quick, I couldn't even move my stop loss and profit on that. I would have tried to just get out. I couldn't. It was so quick, I couldn't even. I was like,
I'm done after that. Nope.
Come on.
I'm done, man. Heck no.
Oh,
Heck no, man. That's bananas, man. Tried taking one last trade for the stream. That was ugly. Great googly moogly. Balls of fire. Jeez.
I went to break even and I got took out. So pretty much a BE on that one.
It's all good. Boy, I was looking nice for a minute. That just went, back it up, Turd. Come on, Turd.
Man.
At least you was at break even. Man.
Yeah.
Pine Tree Trader in the chat said, back it up, Turd. Come on, Turd. Where the dump truck at, Turd? Man. That was nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty Naz, of course.
Nasty Naz gonna do it.
We done had a good stream today, brother. We got 3 minutes left, man.
Man, another great Monday. We'll do it again Wednesday. Maybe we'll put on our old man status. We'll get all
I say let's go with it.
Let's do it. Let's aim for that on Wednesday. So Wednesday, guys, join the stream on Wednesday. We're gonna be dressed up as super unks. We'll be super unks. Be ready for us.
Oh my gosh, man. This been dope, man.
I'm gonna order one of those, like, you know, like in the cartoons, those old like hearing things, like the
oh dang.
Why'd you say?
Hey, I got them like them big bifocals that the granddads be wearing.
Nice. Oh, it's on Wednesday.
Yeah, man.
It's gonna be on.
Let's bring the heat, man.
Yeah, so look, this trade looks like it would have been playing out if I didn't move my stop to break even. But like, you know, again, the reason for it was we closed below, we kept respecting, took a while, but then we never really closed back above the support, right?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, would have if I didn't move my stop, it would have been a beautiful thing. But you know, the analysis and the reason for the trade, you know, kind of stays the same, you know.
Look at that, boy. That mug gave me hope, like, nah.
Yeah. Man, this might be the top for the day. You know, like how many times you see that in a day where it's a big push up, we chop up for a little bit, and then all of a sudden we just reverse that whole move, right?
And look at the number it got topped at. And what that number was?
800.
Crazy.
That's it. That is it. Thank you, chat. Thanks for coming through. Another beautiful day, another beautiful stream. Corey and I are going to be back at it on Wednesday. It's going to be a fun stream for sure. Remember, code YouTube, 50% off. Get it while you can. What do you say, Corey?
Man, well, I'm finna go to the bank and get me a pro account. Actually, man, it's time to go pro on them. Bro.
Going pro. Okay.
I'm gonna go pro. I'm gonna try it. Any thoughts for you, for the people, man?
That's it. Thank you, everyone who showed up. Deku, everybody who came by. Bear Trader was in there before. Pine, everybody. Thank you for coming through. And remember, stay safe. Trade with a stop loss. Follow your rules. And do no self-harm. That's the main thing. Don't do anything that you're going to get mad at yourself for, right?
Hey, man. Come on, man. We pressed the button, man. But we hitting losing and break even, man. What it do, man? Dang. It's all good. See y'all later, man. Brother, it's always a pleasure.
Of course.
Y'all, man.
That's it. Feel better, Corey.
Appreciate it, man.